Getting a hidden password input. You know how in Linux when you try some sudo stuff it tells you to enter the password, and as you type, nothing is shown in the terminal window. The password is not shown? Is there a way to do that in Python? I'm working on a script that requires so sensitive info and would like for it to be hidden when I'm typing it. In other words, I want to get the password from the user without showing the password.
Use getPass.getPass. An optional prompt can be passed as parameter. The default is password column. Note that this function requires a proper terminal, so it can turn off echoing of typed characters. See getPass warning. Cannot control echo on the terminal when running from idle. For further details.
GetPass works on Linux, Windows, and Mac.
This code will print an asterisk instead of every letter.
Updating on the answer of @Ahmed Allah. MESVCIT as only for Windows, but Get from PyPI should work for both. I only tested with Linux. You can also comment / uncomment the two lines to make it work for Windows.